up. But now we have Matthew here.
Hey,
welcome.
Great to be here.
Yeah, Matthew Formica from Intel.
Yes.
Just across the hall here. Beautiful booth.
We do lots of LED lights and things going on.
I saw that. Yeah. So what are you guys showing in the booth this time around?
We are showing two products.
Okay.
One is a product we just launched this week, a new Core Series 2 with P-Cores processor.
Okay.
It's a processor with the most P-Cores we've ever shipped in a product.
Fantastic.
It's got 10 years of silicon availability, extended temperature, industrial use conditions, time coordinated computing for precision timing. It's made for the industrial edge.
Awesome.
And then we've also are showcasing our Core Ultra Series 3 product codenamed Panther Lake, which is a great AI product for the edge.
Yes, Panther Lake. Yes, I remember that. Awesome. Good. So what do you think has changed this year from last year at the show that you've seen so far? Like what's the evolution or revolution?
The evolution, I think there's more, certainly more AI and more robotics than we've seen in the past. That is something everyone's jumping on is how do they get to robotics? Lots of robotic arms, a humanoid here and there. Physical AI is a big focus.
I haven't seen any robots folding laundry though, so fortunately we're not doing that.
Folding laundry.
CES.
We had a keynote the other day. We had a healthcare robot, so that was interesting. Running Panther Lake, a humanoid that's going in for helping patients in their rehab process. It's actually in pilot in several hospitals here in Europe.
Very cool. Awesome. So any predictions for next year at the show? What's happening next year here?
I think it's a very successful show. It's as crowded as it's ever been here. I don't see that changing. I think that we're going to continue to see the evolution of AI at the edge into heavier weight models and systems. And so you're going to see some new use cases continuing to percolate in that space. But we know it's a very deep ecosystem, which means traditional computer vision is alive and well. And so you're going to continue to see that expand.
And more new products from Intel, I'm sure.
More new products from Intel. We've got sort of an annual product cadence that will continue.
Awesome.
And we've got a lot of new software we're working on as well, specifically in the physical AI and robotics space. We're demoing some of it here at the conference. We've got some new product that will be launching in the coming months.
All right. Well, definitely, folks, should go check out the Intel booth in Hall 5.
Yes.
Yeah. Matthew, good to see you again.
Great to see you, too.
Yes, I see you.